In this exercise, you will learn how to dismantle and rewind a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Remove all the screws from the back cover of the motor. Remove the back cover and fan blade from the shaft. Remove the shaft key from the pulley using screwdriver. Use a pulley puller to remove the pulley from the rotor shaft. Alignment marks are made on the central frame of the stator and on the endover using center punch. These punch marks are used to fix back the end cover to the central frame in the same position. Use the respective spanner to remove the end cover bolts. Drive a wedge hitting with mallet hammer in between the end cover and the center frame. Remove the end cover from the stator of the motor. Pull out the rotor assembly. Remove the end cover from the rotor shaft by using a hammer. The dismantled parts are as shown. If the stator winding is having open or short circuit or insulation failure, you have to rewind it. Assume that there is a failure in stator winding. Trace the winding layout as it is shown. Remove the insulation wedges from the stator using a hacksaw blade as shown. Cut the non-connection side of the coils using a cutter plier. Pull out all the coils from the stator with help of cutting plier. You can dispose the removed copper wire at a fair price. Clean all the slots and keep a layer of insulation on all the slots. Identify the gauges of the original insulated wire used. Use the same gauge wires to rewind the coils using former. Now insert the wound coils in the designed/earmarked stator slots and fix all the coils in the same manner. Use fiber foot for proper positioning of the coils and insert the wedges. Use soldering to connect the coil groups according to the design. Test the stator winding for open or short circuit and for insulation resistance. If the stator is okay, dry the stator winding and apply varnish. After varnishing again, dry the winding. Take out the 6 leads from the coil and give proper identifications for each lead to facilitate final connections. Check the insulation resistance of the winding using Megger and record for future reference purpose. Fix all the parts and check the motor for proper functioning.